Guests express frustration after water outage disrupts stay at RIU Hotel in Outage. Several guests staying at the RIU Hotel in Outage said and have voiced frustration after an unexpected disruption to the hotel's water supply left some rooms without running water, significantly affecting what many had hoped would be an enjoyable Caribbean vacation. Guests reported that the issue left them unable to access basic amenities, including showers, sinks, and toilets, for extended periods. Several visitors said the outage caused considerable inconvenience, particularly for families with young children and travelers preparing for excursions or flights. Many described the experience as disappointing, noting that access to running water is a fundamental service they expect when staying at an all-inclusive resort. A number of guests shared their experiences on social media, posting videos and comments describing dry taps, unusable bathroom facilities, and lengthy waits for information. Some said they were forced to rely on bottled water for basic needs, while others claimed they had difficulty obtaining clear updates about when normal service would resume. The online post quickly attracted attention, with many users expressing sympathy and calling for better communication during service disruptions. According to reports from affected guests, hotel staff worked to manage the situation while technical teams sought to restore the water supply. Some visitors acknowledged that employees remained courteous and professional despite the challenging circumstances. However, others said they believe more frequent updates and clearer communication would have helped reduce frustration during the outage. As of now, there has been no official public statement detailing the exact cause of the interruption or confirming how many rooms were affected. It is also unclear whether the disruption resulted from an internal plumbing issue, maintenance work, or a problem with the external water supply. Without an official explanation, many guests continue to seek clarification regarding the incident. The disruption highlights the importance of contingency planning within Jamaica's hospitality industry, where uninterrupted access to utilities is critical to maintaining visitor confidence. Hotels typically have emergency response procedures in place for service interruptions, but guests often expect timely communication and practical support whenever unforeseen issues arise. Jamaica's tourism sector remains one of the country's most important economic drivers, welcoming millions of visitors each year. Industry stakeholders continue to emphasize that isolated operational incidents do not necessarily reflect the broader quality of the island's tourism product. Nevertheless, guest satisfaction remains a key priority, and incidents such as these can have a significant impact on a property's reputation, particularly in an era when visitor experiences are quickly shared across social media platforms. At the time of this publication, it was not immediately known whether affected guests would receive compensation or other accommodations as a result of the disruption. Further updates are expected if the hotel or relevant authorities issue an official statement regarding the incident. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.